How much depreciation should pop-up drink stands expect? On average, a pop-up drink stand should expect to lose between 15 and 25% of its value every year, which usually means the whole stand is considered worn out on paper somewhere between 5 and 7 years, depending on how sturdy the materials are and how often it gets used. Think of depreciation like the stand slowly losing its worth the same way a bicycle gets less shiny and less valuable the more you ride it outside. Most small business equipment like this falls into what tax rules call 7-year property, and that just means the government expects it to naturally wear down over about 7 years of regular use. Something a lot of people do not realize is that pop-up stands actually depreciate faster than indoor equipment because they deal with sun, wind, rain, and constant setup and breakdown, which stresses the frame, wheels, and canopy fabric much quicker than something sitting safely inside a building. A neat trick many small vendors use is claiming what is called bonus depreciation, which lets you write off a much bigger chunk of the cost in the very first year instead of spreading it out evenly, which can seriously help your taxes if you just bought new equipment. Another detail most people miss is that the wheels, awning, and electrical parts often depreciate separately from the main frame because they wear out at completely different speeds. One big thing to watch is that moving your stand often causes hidden wear on joints and wheels, so it helps to inspect and tighten bolts every single month. Another important point is that your insurance value and your tax depreciated value are almost never the same number, so always insure the stand based on what it would actually cost to replace it today, not what the tax paperwork says it is worth. Finally, keep every receipt from repairs and upgrades, because those can actually increase the stand's value basis and change how much depreciation you are allowed to claim later. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below